Hello everyone. I'm just pinning my number right now. Hello Nazia ji. Hello Shreya ji. Hello Aarti ji. Good to see you all. Hello Sirisha ji. Good afternoon everyone. Thank you for joining. Hello Shilpa ji. शिल्पा जी, आज हम एज यूजुअल सूट फैब्रिक्स एंड रेडीमेड वेयर यही चीज़ें दिखाएंगे एंड एज ऑलवेज इट विल बी एक्सक्लूसिव फॉर श्योर. हेलो एंजल जी, गुड टू सी यू ऑल. हाय आरती जी. सो देर आर मैनी पीपल who are already our existing clients. Thank you so much Aarti ji, thank you so much, means a lot to us. Angel ji, our good name, the brand name is Ethnic BFFs and my name is Monica. We are from Delhi. So firstly, before starting, I would really like to apologize to everyone whom we couldn't reply or whom we couldn't, cater to their needs, because we had so many messages. अभी तक भी messages आ रहे हैं from our last live session. Extremely sorry we couldn't reply to all. Hello Shalini ji. So today basically we'll be taking orders only on one number, which is pinned 9999714077. Hi Neeta ji. Okay, so this will be our number for today, 9999714077. This is Monica from Ethnic BFFs Delhi. And hello Shami ji. So basically the process is the same as always. For the ones who are watching us for the first time, you have to take the screenshots of the design you like. Please mention the sizes in the ready-made wear. We will try to be very clear with the sizes and everything. कुछ भी sizes में doubt है, you can go to our page Ethnic BFFs. So that is a page on Facebook. उसमें हमने एक वीडियो अपलोड किया हुआ है to measure your exact size. Thank you Sirisha ji. Thank you so much. Gratitude. Thank you so much. So okay. All right. So basically we'll move now. We'll start with as usual बहुत exclusive से fabrics. Okay, and then after fabrics we'll move on to the ready-made wear. Hello Veda ji. Okay, आप WhatsApp send कर सकते हैं in the given number, that is 9999714077. In case you have a other number 8800988288, उस पे भी आप मैसेज कर सकते हैं. आरती जी, just 5-6 exclusive fabrics we'll be showing and then we'll move on to all ready-mades, don't worry. Okay, तो आप सेंड कर दीजिएगा जल्दी. we'll reply to each and every one of you. we'll try to do that definitely. नीचे से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे रिप्लाई करना, so आप बार पिंग मत कीजिए. we'll definitely reply to all of you. Okay, and shipping, yes, shipping above 1500 you get shipping free. अगर आपका टोटल अमाउंट 1500 से नीचे होता है then you pay a shipping of 80 rupees as always. This is the standard we apply. Okay, so 80 rupees will be the shipping. This is our first suit fabric. Very beautiful pieces on muslin we have got today for you. Just see the shade. This is pure muslin. This is all stonework done here, stonework and sequins. बहुत ही डिफरेंट टाइप के ये स्टोन्स लगे हुए हैं पूरे सूट पे. सो दिस इज वन काइंड ऑफ अ स्टोन, दिस इज द अदर. सो फुल सूट इज अ हेवी एंड डिफरेंट प्रिंटेड सूट ऑन प्योर मसलिन. ओके, सो यू कैन सी द प्रिंट हियर, you can see the print and the beautiful dupatta. The whole dupatta has this sequence work. This is the gota lining and sequence work. A very beautiful shade. Hello Poonam ji, hello Varsha ji. Thank you so much, Poonam ji. Thanks a lot. So this will be the dupatta, okay? This is the dupatta and this is the whole suit. You can take the screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. The numbers are given. This will be the bottom with it. It's a cotton bottom. This will be the bottom. Okay, it's basically thoda reddish tone में जाएगा. This is the bottom. You can take the screenshot. Price for this piece is 1900. 1900. Very exclusive design on muslin. Peachish color type ये bottom आएगा. Kind of peachish, reddish combination है exact. This is not red. ठीक है? So this will be the suit. Ma'am, we are sending all over India and international shipping also. So we are sending parcels everywhere. किसी किसी जगह पे like international shipping, the shipping charges are extra. तो वो आप please contact कर लीजिए. We'll mention you the exact shipping charge for that particular place. Again a piece on muslin. Please check the beautiful design. This will be the yoke here. This is all thread work and sequence work on yoke. This is all print and print पे ये touching of sequence. Okay. This will be the sleeves. Sleeves के ending में ये आएगा because this is matching with the dupatta. A beautiful muslin dupatta. This will be the dupatta. यहाँ गोटा lining है and this is the whole print. A very very different design. The whole print is here on the front and the back both. This will be the matching bottom. Matching peach bottom with it. Okay. Ma'am, length जिसकी भी जाननी हो, you can message us. हम exact length बता देंगे सबकी. Generally it is 44 to 45. और किसी पर्टिकुलर डिज़ाइन की आपको एग्जैक्ट लेंथ अगर जाननी हो प्लीज़ व्हाट्सएप अस, विल सेंड यू द एग्जैक्ट डिटेल्स. COD नहीं है मैम, ऑल ऑनलाइन मोड ऑफ पेमेंट. सो दिस इज द सूट. यू कैन टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट. 1950. 1950 प्योर मसलिन सूट. अ वेरी वेरी डिफरेंट वन. एंड देर इज वन मोर शेड इन दिस. आई जस्ट शो यू. दिस इज पीच. And this will be sky blue. This is a very lighter shade of blue. So we have two colors in this. Price is 1950. Okay, this dupatta would be with the sky blue one. Very very beautiful and elegant pieces. This is a very premium muslin, you can say. Yeah, hello Hina ji. Okay, now moving on to the next. A pista colored, again pure muslin suit. Beautiful leafy prints and sequence work. This is the whole neckline. Very very beautiful neckline. These are the button patterns here. This will be the daman of the suit. So the whole suit has this gold print touching on it. On the leaves, on the yoke you get this beautiful sequence work. I hope the whole design is clear to you. And a very beautiful combination of pista and grey. This is the dupatta. All sequence work. It's a cotton dupatta. Dupatta is on cotton. So this is the semi-stitched suit and this will be the bottom with it. Pure cotton bottom and pure cotton dupatta. Suit will be on muslin. Beautiful shade. Price for this particular piece will be only 1500. 1500 for this. Two shades available. One is pista green and the other is light pink. So light pink, this is a beautiful shade again and this is pista green. So two shades, very very affordable on muslin. Only 1500 is the price. 1500. Ma'am, which blue one do you want me to open? The earlier one? Blue कौन सा दिखाया हमने अभी? Okay, this sky blue one. Ma'am, this is exactly the same. जो पहले डिजाइन दिखाया है, this is exactly the same. ये आएगा आपका upper part and please check the daman of it. This is the daman. Very very beautiful piece. Okay, it's a semi-stitched piece. This will be the daman of the suit. Same will be the pink shade, the one which we showed you. Cotton bottom and dupatta. I hope now the piece is clear to you. This will be the dupatta. Okay. Ma'am, pink also okay, we'll just show you. This pink, you want me to show you this? So this is basically the suit, because we have lots and lots of pieces to show you today in ready-made wear also. And this is the dupatta. So we need to run little faster so that we can show you all the designs. Okay, now moving on to the next. This is a suit on cotton. This is a suit on cotton. This will be the beautiful yoke. A very different designed yoke. This is all gota linings. This is gota lining. Ma'am, muslin hai. The fabric is muslin of the sky blue one. Okay. This is a pure cotton piece. You have these stripes here. This is the daman. This will be the same bottom, matching bottom with it. Just a sec. I'll just show you the bottom. This is the dupatta on cotton. This is mull cotton, full size dupatta. Gota lining, beautiful print here. And lovely tassels matching with the yoke. Okay. So this will be the suit. The bottom will be printed. This will be the bottom. Okay, this is the bottom. And mull cotton dupatta. This is the suit. So we have 4 colors in this. I'll just show you the colors. Price for this is again only 1500. Only 1500. One is yellow. The other is this blue. This is a premium cotton piece. This is indigo blue. You can see a combination of sky blue and indigo blue. Now this is pink, a combination of light pink and dark pink. Okay, this will be the matching. And one is this lighter blue. So basically we have 2 blues here, sky blue, indigo blue, light pink and yellow. 4 shades available. 1500 will be the price. Yes, Minel ji, these are fabrics. Hello Minel ji. Okay. So this is another very beautiful suit on cotton. This is the yoke, all thread work here. This is a fulkari dupatta with it. Very very beautiful fulkari dupatta. Okay, this will be the dupatta. Ma'am, sizes till 44 we have today. Today sizes till 44 in ready-mades. This is a fabric and the bottom will be the same cotton bottom in maroon shade. A beautiful suit here on fulkari. Looks very very elegant to wear. You can take the screenshot. This will be the daman. 2 shades available in this. 1600 is the price. 1600 maroon shade and this blue shade. This is a darker sky blue, okay, or peacock blue you can say. So 2 shades available. 1600 only is the price. Thank you Anya ji. Thank you. Hello everyone. If I've missed on greeting any one of you. Hello guys. Now this is again a very beautiful suit on muslin. Very different shade here. This is a bluish shade, turquoise blue, darker shade of blue. This is all sequins. This is the neckline. This is the sequins here. It's a semi-stitched suit. Now the whole sleeves also has the same sequence work. Okay. Hello Anuji. Thank you so much. Thank you. This is again a pure muslin dupatta. Please look at the print. It's a beautiful print, and please see the sequence work here. Very beautiful sequence work. Very different shade. Beautiful print all over on the front and the back, both. Okay, so this will be the back. The back also has the same sequence work. So beautiful suit here. Price is only 1600. Only 1600. We have two shades. This is blue and the other is black. Two shades. 1600 will be the price. You can take the screenshots. Bottom will be this. Same matching bottom. Thank you Fareen ji. Thank you so much. Now this is again a muslin suit. A different pattern here, because we had ready-made collection of the same zigzag design and it was a super hit. So we have come up with this muslin suit with the same print. This will be the neck pattern. These are the beautiful button pattern here. And COD is not available. This is the whole sleeve. Hello Minyal ji. Let me tell you all, Minyal ji is such a wonderful person. She attends all our live sessions and answers to all the queries. So thank you. We can't thank you enough, Minyal ji. Okay, so this is the muslin dupatta. Now this part is organza in it. This is organza. This is all handwork here. This is the crochet lace. Then we have this on muslin. And then again the organza. So it's a very different and elegant piece. Organza and muslin. Okay, this is the suit. A very different and designer one. The back side will be plain. And the front side will be all this zigzag pattern. Price for this 1750. Colors we'll just show you. This is pista green. This is yellow. Okay. A very designer concept. Dupatta would be the same. Okay, dupatta would be the same. Yellow shade. The green shade which we showed you. And one more is peach. 1750. Hello Nisha ji. Ma'am, in ready-mades also we have muslin. So we are just going to that. Now, thank you Vandana ji. Thank you Varsha ji. Thank you Roshi ji. Thank you so much everyone. And after fabrics, we show only like exclusive collection of fabrics and ready-made wear. So we had this very beautiful collection on fabrics. Now we are moving on to our ready-made wear. So our very hit design has been restocked. So all those who messaged us, this piece, this kurta set is just for 850. Only 850. And please look at this. We have sold so many pieces of this particular design and we still had queries. So we have restocked this piece on indigo blue. This is the neckline. This is the tassel. This is all gota lining till the end of the kurta. Till the end we have this gota lining on both the sides. Beautiful print. Back side also same print. And this is the beautiful bottom. And on the bottom you get this gota detailing. Okay. A beautiful combination of blue and white. An evergreen combination. Very affordable suit. Only 850 will be the price. 38 to 46 size available. The ones who want 46 can apply for this. This will be the sleeve. 38 to 46 size. This is a premium quality of cotton bottom. Okay, not a lighter one, a premium quality here. Yes, 46 is available in this, Varsha ji. Okay, you can WhatsApp us on the given number 9999714077. And if you have any problem कि आपसे weight नहीं हो रहा है anything, you can message on WhatsApp on 8800988288. So we have both the numbers. Shipping is 80 rupees, below 1500. Now please check this beautiful new arrival of ours. It's a pista green cotton kurta set. It has a very different kind of sleeves, puffed sleeves you can say. This is the beautiful yoke. This is a crushed yoke here, a very different designing. This is sequence work. Okay, this will be the sleeves. Very beautiful and elegant shade, elegant color. The whole kurta will have this beautiful leafy print on the back side also. So this is basically, sorry to mention, this is gota detailing, not sequence work. Okay, so if you can see, this is sequence here, but this is gota detailing. And a matching bottom, a cotton bottom with it. This will be the bottom. So a two-piece set, very beautiful. You have this button here on the back side of the neckline so that it is easy to wear. Very premium quality cotton. Let me tell you, this is not that patla wala cotton. This is a very premium thick quality cotton. 38 to 44 size available. 1395 will be the price. 1395, 38 to 44 size available. You can take the screenshots. Sure Prafulla ji, you can message us anytime. Ma'am, pant is white. Of the previous one, it is white. Blue, okay, we'll show again. Ma'am, this is the blue one. Okay, this is the blue one. And let me show you the pant. It is not off-white, it is white pant. This will be the piece. You can take the screenshots if you like. 850 will be the price for that blue one. 850. Now this is the one which I am wearing. A very beautiful cotton anarkali. Please check the yoke here. This is a very beautiful. This is all handwork of pearls and sequins, thread work. So this is all handwork here. I hope all the work is clear to you. It has all this print. It's not a plain yellow fabric, it is self printed. This will be the tassels on the sides. You get these tassels. So it's beautiful tassels here. A very different one. These will be the tassels on the sides. It has all kalis on the front and back. These are beautiful kalis on the back and also on the front. This will be the beautiful sleeves, all handwork here, beautiful sleeves. And please check the daman of it. It has this frill pattern on the daman, frill pattern, and it is a very flary and comfortable piece. It is pure cotton piece, so very comfortable. Okay, so this is the whole piece. 38 to 44 size available. 1650 will be the price. Very summerish color. 1650 price. 38 to 44 size. Hello Priyanka ji. Hello. मैम लेंथ जो लॉन्ग सूट्स हैं उनके अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 56-57 आएंगी. एग्जैक्ट बिल्कुल आपको जाननी है, प्लीज व्हाट्सएप अस, विल सेंड यू द एग्जैक्ट डिटेल्स. थैंक यू मिनिल जी. नाउ अगेन अ प्योर कॉटन कुर्ता सेट. This is again pure cotton. This is all print here. This is a printed set, crochet lace on the sleeves and also on the yoke. A very beautiful yoke with all thread work. This is all thread work here. Okay, and on the sides also you get the same crochet lace. This is the sides of the kurta. So you get crochet lace on both the sides and at the daman. A very rich taste. This is the suit. Very bright shade, a very rich one, elegant one, and a white bottom with it. Now the bottom also has the same crochet lace here. This lace. So this is giving a very elegant touch and a matching mask. Same matching with the kurta will be the mask of it. Hello Shobha ji, this is Monica from Ethnic BFFs Delhi. Backside also you get the same print. You can take the screenshot of it. Price for this is 1350 S to XXL. The size in this is S to XXL. S is 38 in this. So you get 38 to 46 in this. 38 to 46 in this particular piece. Now the bottom also is a very premium quality cotton bottom. If you can see the fabric, it's very premium quality. 1350. Thank you Priyanka ji. Now one more piece. The color, we had wine shade of this particular piece last time and in many live sessions because that was also a super hit. Now this time we have blue shade in this. The wine one which many of you would be having. Pure cotton kurta. This will be the neckline and yoke. This is all gold print touching. Very bright piece. Size in pink 38 to 46 are available, ma'am. This is all gold touching. This is the sleeves. A very bright indigo blue shade. Backside will be the same. Okay. This will be the daman. It has gota lining. And same bottom which we had with the wine one. Please see. It has all thread work on the pant. All thread work here. Plain pant nahi hai, cotton ki pant hai with all the thread work from top to bottom. It has this thread work. Only 900 will be the price. 38 to 44 size available. You can take the screenshot. 38 to 44 size available in this. Only 900 is the price. Ma'am, Sarika ji, क्या show कर दें एक बार please? Tell us clearly so that we can show you again. No problem. Now this is an anarkali. This was again one of our super hit designs which many of you wanted. With all these beautiful kalis here. This is the neckline. यहाँ पे handwork हो रहा है पूरा neckline पे. And beautiful buttons here. Okay. And this will be the kalis. This is the bell sleeves with it. A very bright shade, bell sleeves. The back side will also have the same kalis. Flary design. The sides will have these tassels. We have only 2 sizes available in this right now. This is gota. Okay, this is the gota detailing at the daman. So we are just left with 2 sizes, S and XL. 1795 was the price, but we are left with just 2 sizes, 2 pieces actually, S and XL. So we are giving at 1650. 1650. Only 1650. Beautiful anarkali. S and XL people can apply for this. 1650. Ma'am, in that orange one we don't have 46, just S and XL. 2 pieces left with us. One more restock design of ours, pure muslin design. Those who want it, please apply. This is all pitton work on yoke. मैम दुपट्टे वाले भी आ रहे हैं, सब कुछ आता है हमारे सेशन में, सो डोंट वरी, हैव पेशेंस, वील शो यू एवरीथिंग. So this is again a pure muslin suit. This will be the sleeves. Beautiful black colored kurta and very beautiful print here. Okay, this is the kurta, pure muslin suit. Kurta sets, the one who wanted ready-made kurta sets, this is the one. And this is the bottom. A very different premium quality muslin bottom. ओके मैम, ब्लू सूट का दुपट्टा नहीं, इट्स अ कुर्ता सेट. 900 इज द प्राइस. दो कुर्ता सेट्स दिखाए हैं, वन इज 850 एंड द अदर इज 900. दिस इज अ प्योर मसलिन कुर्ता सेट. मसलिन्स वेरी वेरी लुक वेरी वेरी रिच इन फैक्ट. सो दिस इज द ब्यूटिफुल हैंड वर्क हियर, पिटन वर्क ऑन योक एंड द बटन पैटर्न. ये भी पिटन वर्क ही है, दीज आर नॉट बटन्स बाहर से अटैच्ड, दीज आर पिटन वर्क ओनली. Okay, 1350. The ones who want it, please apply. 38 to 44 size available. 38 to 44. You can take the screenshot. In black, it's a very very elegant design. 2-piece set. Yeah. Now one more design, a very different shade, pure cotton design. Pure cotton. This is all mirror work here. Beautiful work, different work on the yoke. These are all lining pattern. This is all mirror work. If you can see, the mirrors are shining. So this is the mirror work. This will be the neck here. And please check the different puffed sleeves. The sleeves is like this. It is puffed sleeves. Pink का screenshot, ma'am. Which pink you are talking about? Please message us which pink you are talking about, ma'am. ठीक है? Is it the pink kurta set which we showed with crochet lace? So this is the pure cotton printed kurta, and the print is also very very different. The shade is very different. The combination of it. Light color pink kurta. Okay, I'll just show you. You can take the screenshot, ma'am. I hope it was this one. I hope it was this. PP of black is 1350, ma'am. Mona ji, it is 1350. Okay, you can take this screenshot now. The one Anuj ji, if you wanted. Now this particular piece, very different shade. This will be the bag. बहुत अलग सा print है and color है. And this is again a pure cotton bottom. This will be the pure cotton striped bottom, and this is the kurta. So it's a kurta set with pant. Only 1295. 1295. 38 to 44. 38 to 44. Okay. Thank you, Varsha ji. Blue one again with white pant. Okay, no problem. This one. This is the blue one with white pant. You can take this screenshot if you want. It's a pure cotton piece. Ma'am, anything in hip size 50? Not today. No, we don't have today, ma'am. मैम 46 में है, काफ़ी दिखाया है, 2-3 पीसेस हमने दिखाए हैं जिसमें वी हैव 46, सो यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर दैट. नाउ अ वेरी डिफरेंट पीस इन स्टोर नाउ ऑन प्योर मसलिन. दिस इज अ प्योर मसलिन पीस. Muslins are extremely elegant to wear. You can check out how it looks. So this is a pure muslin piece, very beautiful print. This is all sequence work. ये पूरे छोटे छोटे सीक्वेंस का वर्क है पूरे नेक पे, एंड दिस इज द गोटा डिटेलिंग, एंड दीज आर द बटन्स. अ ब्यूटिफुल शेड. दिस विल बी द स्लीव्स. सो वी ट्राई टू ब्रिंग very different and elegant designs in each of our live sessions, and that is why we are getting so much love from you all. This will be the bottom. This is again a muslin bottom. Okay, this is a muslin bottom. Video pause हो रही है? Is it pausing for everyone? Thank you, Shobha ji. Thank you so much. Is the video clear to everyone? May I please know so that we can proceed? मिरर कुर्ता, ओके, जो अभी लास्ट में दिखाया ना वो ग्रीन. हाँ, no, is it not clear? Is it not clear? Yes, okay, so it's clear, right? Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you everyone. So this is the mirror kurta. The ones who wanted to take a screenshot, you may take it now. Thank you so much. मैम नीचे नंबर दिया हुआ है व्हाट्सएप का 9999714077. So you can WhatsApp us, take a screenshot of the design you like and you can send it to us on WhatsApp. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Okay, it's clear. Thank you. So this is a muslin design, a very beautiful one. The bottom is again pure muslin. The price for this will be 1395, 38 to 44 size available. A very elegant sequence work here. 1395 pure muslin piece, 38 to 44 size available. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Okay, now this is a kurta set in black. The previous one which we showed you was in muslin. This is on cotton. This is the whole print. Beautiful print here. This is the yoke. This will be the tassel on the yoke. This is the tassel. A laced pattern here. The whole kurta will have this print. A very bright cotton piece. The yoke will have this. This is all thread work on the yoke. This is all thread work. Print and uske upar it is thread work. Okay, I hope it is clear. And matching with this is a palazzo. Now this is a wide palazzo here. If you can see, it is very very wide. ये एक side है palazzo का. So it can give you a skirt pattern look. Very beautiful print. This is the bottom part. Okay, and beautiful print here. इस पे ये थोड़ा हल्का हल्का gold print का touching है. Okay, a very different piece. This will be the whole look. This is the skirt, the palazzo. Okay, the price for this is 1450, 38 to 44 size available. 38 to 44. This will give you a skirt look because it's a wide palazzo. 1450 is the price. Ma'am, it is black. It's not blue, it's black. Okay, now this piece, 3-piece sets. We have come up with 3-piece sets now. The ones who wanted 3-piece. A very very bright shade of yellow. You can say this is mustard shade. This is the beautiful yoke with all. This is mirror work. This is thread work in between. And this is gota lining. Very bright yoke here. And please check the sleeves. This will be the sleeves matching with the dupatta. It's a pure cotton dupatta. This is the dupatta. Pure cotton dupatta, hand block print. This is the dupatta. Just a second. Yeah. So this is the dupatta. A very very different pattern hand block print dupatta. And the bottom will be the same matching with the sleeves which we had here. Okay, a very bright 3-piece set. 1395 is the price. M, L, XL and XXL available. 1395 full size cotton dupatta. bright shade of mustard, and this is the bottom. 1395 M2 double XL. Now if you want to know M is what bust size, just give me a minute, I'll tell you the exact bust size so that it is easy for you all to order. Guys, M in this is on the safer side 38 bust size, or else it is coming 39, but 38 people can apply for safer side because it is cotton. Hello Shelly ji. Hello, thank you Minil ji, you are here, so we are not looking at the comments much often, right? So this is a very, very different piece. This is basically an anarkali, 3-piece anarkali set. We always get different things for you. Now this is 3-piece anarkali set, a kalamkari design. This is the gota detailing here, pure cotton piece. This will be the sleeves. Now the whole kurti has this lining here. ये छोटे छोटे threads हैं. These linings are small threads. You can say this is all katha work here. And this is the daman. A very, very beautiful daman. Okay, and this is a stole dupatta on cotton. Stole dupatta on cotton. Just a second. Yeah. So this is all gota linings here. A very, very bright combination. You can see the combination is very different. The print, kalamkari print is very, very different. And let me show you the bottom of it. The bottom will be this. Same matching with the kurta. So this is a 3-piece anarkali set. Beautiful combination. Wonderful flare. If you can check the flare of it. Very, very beautiful flary design. Pure cotton piece. 38 to 44 size available. 38 to 44 size. Price is 1995. 1995. 38 to 44 size available. 1995 is the price for this. Ma'am, yellow suit, which yellow? Okay, that one 1395. I'll just show you which I'm mentioning. This is for 1395. 3-piece set. Ma'am, straight pant के बहुत सारे designs दिखाएं. You can just go through our video again. Now this is again an anarkali suit. A beautiful piece. Anarkalis are very much on demand this season. This is all crochet lace here. This is also thread work booties. Okay. This will be the sleeves. A very bright and different shade. So all this is not print. This is all thread work. ये जो भी यहाँ पे white shade में है, this is all thread work and not print. Okay, and this is the lace at the bottom. Please check the beautiful cotton dupatta. Full size cotton dupatta. This is all cut work here. ये cut work में dupatta, and this is all thread work. Not print but thread work on pure cotton. This will be the tassels on the end. Beautiful different shade of blue and white. Pant will be this. The pant will also have the same thread work buttas and this at the lower end near the ankle. So this will be the pant. A 3-piece anarkali set. Very different designing. Very different shade. Price for this will be 1950. 1950. You can take the screenshot. 38 to 46. The ones who wanted 46, we have 46 available in this 3-piece set. 1950 ready to wear. Oh ma'am, we are from Delhi. Okay, now one more piece on black. This is a 3-piece set. The earlier one which we showed you was only kurta and palazzo. This is a 3-piece set. Again, very very beautiful print. This is all sequence work. These are very very elegant designs which we show you. We are actually working very very hard to give you the best of designs possible and at the best of rates. This is a soft cotton piece, very very soft quality cotton. Okay, this is the whole print. It has all gold print touching. The back side will also have the same print here. This is all, these linings are print actually. Okay, this will be the pant. Okay, this is again a sharara. This is a sharara. It has gota detailing here. मैम लेंथ अप्रोक्सीमेटली 44-45 होता है. जो भी जितने भी स्ट्रेट कुर्तास हैं मेजरली 44-45. फॉर एग्जैक्ट लेंथ यू कैन प्लीज व्हाट्सएप अस. सो दिस इज द शरारा विथ इट, कॉटन शरारा एंड ब्यूटिफुल शिफॉन दुपट्टा. This is a beautiful chiffon dupatta with all this touching here. It has gold stone touchings. If you can see, this touching is all over in the dupatta. So beautiful chiffon dupatta, easy to carry. Size available 38 to 44. Sharara is there with it. 38 to 44 size available. 1850 is the price. 1850 for this 3-piece set, sharara set, black color. Shipping all over India is 80 rupees, ma'am, if your total amount is below 1500. Now this is a very different pattern kurta set. Again, this is a kurta set. Ma'am, we are in Shahadra, Delhi. Okay, please check the kurta here. It has the sequence work on the yoke, katha work here to give it a different look. This is the whole sleeves, and the best part of it is this. This is a very very different designing here. These are buttons on the slit. It's a slit kurta and this tassels. So it's a slit kurta and a pant with it, matching grey colored pant with it. So it will give a western as well as ethnic look. You can say it's an Indo-Western kurta set. Indo-Western kurta set. Basically this is just for designing. इसमें आपकी पैंट नहीं दिखेगी. It will look like a kurta only. ये कुर्ता ही है. It's just that this is the pattern here. ठीक है, this is the pattern. जो आपकी bottom होगी वो इसके नीचे ही आएगी. Your bottom will not be visible here. It will not be visible here because ये inner का fabric है which is attached. Inner का fabric है. So I hope the whole kurta is clear to you. A very very different shade. बहुत अलग सा पैटर्न लगेगा, डिफरेंट सा. S to XXL 1350. 1350. A different kurta set, designer one, very different shade. 1350 is the price. S to XXL available. Ma'am, which I am wearing, we had shown. I'll show you at the end also. No problem. मसलिन सेट, यस मैम, हमारे नेक्स्ट लाइव में जो हमने मसलिन दिखाया था वो हमारे नेक्स्ट लाइव में आने वाला है. बट द कलर्स विल बी आई गेस ऑरेंज एंड मस्टर्ड. सो दीज टू आर इन मेकिंग. दैट वील बी शोइंग इन अ नेक्स्ट लाइव सेशन होपफुली. सो दिस इज अगेन अ कुर्ता सेट. Guys, we are trying to give you so many different things. We have showed you anarkali 3-piece sets, single anarkalis, kurta sets, 3-piece sets, everything, and also Indo-Western, right? So today we had shararas also. I hope every one of you will get something or the other of their particular choice. Yes, 40 size is available, ma'am. S to XXL is available. So this is again a 3-piece set. This is also a sharara set. This is a very beautiful designing, very bright shade of yellow. This is all gota lining. ये पूरा handwork है यहाँ पे. If you can see, this is all handwork here. Okay, this is all handwork. This will be the sleeves, a very bright shade. Till here you get the handwork. Okay, and then it's plain. Till here you have the handwork. And please check the beautiful sharara with it. A wide sharara with it. So this is a very wider one, which will give you a skirt look actually. This is the frilled pattern at the bottom. Frilled pattern at the bottom of it. A very different designing suit. This will be the dupatta. It's a pure chiffon dupatta with gota line lace here and tassels. This is the dupatta, pure chiffon. So 3-piece set, size only one we have in this, 42. Only 42 size people can please apply. 41s can also apply if you want to get it altered. So price for this is only 1895. 1895. Okay, this is the piece. बहुत elegant सा rich सा piece है. It's all premium cotton here. Okay, Swaranji, I don't know if to take it as a compliment or not, but thank you so much. Now again, this is an anarkali set. It's a 2-piece set. This is basically an anarkali with dupatta. There is no bottom with it. This is the dupatta. Now this is again a kalamkari print, all hand block here. This is the gota detailing. This is a touch of handwork on the hand block prints. This is the sleeves. This is the sleeves, and it has all kali pattern here. A very different anarkali set. This is the daman. If you can check the kalis, these are different kali patterns here all over in the anarkali. Very subtle shade you can say, and very elegant. Pure cotton, 100% cotton. This is the dupatta. This is the beautiful dupatta. Full size cotton dupatta. Now this also length will be approximately 56 to 57. Pura ground ankle length tak aayega ye. Okay, and there is this dupatta with it. It's a 2-piece set. Only 1550 will be the price. 38 to 44. Sorry, 1495. I'm so sorry, it is for 1495. 38 to 44 people. Please apply for this. Only 1495. You can take the screenshots. Pure cotton piece. 1495, ma'am. Thank you, Jennifer ji. Thank you so much. All because of your love and blessings. So, sorry, Swati ji, there is no COD. Now, this is again an anarkali set, because anarkalis were very much on demand. So, this is a beautiful anarkali set. This will be the yoke. Beautiful handwork here on the yoke, if you can see. This is all handwork on the neck. A very different patterned yoke here. This is all mirror work and zari work. Okay, and please check the leafy print. This will be the crochet lace on the sleeves. And please see the dupatta. This is the dupatta with the same crochet lace, zigzag pattern dupatta. The daman will have the same crochet lace. This is the daman. Okay. Just a second. Alright. So this is the beautiful anarkali set. This will be the daman. Let me show you the front of it. The pant is matching with the dupatta, zigzag pattern dupatta. This is the crochet lace on the pant, and matching mask. Matching with the kurta will be this mask. Matching with the kurta. Again, it's a 3-piece anarkali set with matching mask. Price for this is only 1695. Only 1695. 36 to 44 people can apply. For small size, if you want, you can apply this. 36 to 44. 1695 is the price. You can take the screenshot. And we've just realized we are out of time. Okay, the one which I am wearing. ये वाला दिखाना. I'll just show you because 2-3 of you were asking for the ones for the one piece which I'm wearing. मैं कर दूँगी. Okay. So this is the piece. This is the piece. We are out of time, so please check this out clearly. It has all this gota kalis here. This is the handwork on the yoke. Pure cotton piece. This will be the sleeves. It has beautiful tassels on the sides. These are the beautiful tassels. Yeah, the back one also we have to show you, ma'am. Just 2 minutes. Okay, so this is the piece. You can take the screenshot if you like. 1650 is the price. 38 to 44 available. 38 to 44. One piece which we have sold many pieces of this. Just one last piece left in this. Only 40 sizes available in this. 1050 is the price. This is just a stock update because many of you wanted this, but we are left with only one piece. 40 size. This is the pant, the floral bottom pant. Okay, this will be the pant. This is the whole print. 1050 for this kurta set. Only 40 size. Please apply for this. Yes, Minyaji, till 44, yes. Okay, now our showstopper piece for today. This one is a pure muslin piece. A pure muslin straight cut piece. Very, very different. Very, very elegant. Please check out the shade. The shade is also, you can say, maroon and brownish mixed. A very different shade. This is the sleeves. Please check the beautiful anarkali pattern yoke. This is actually straight kurta, but the yoke gives you the look of a jacket, you can say. This is the beautiful yoke. This is all gota work and thread work. This is all bootas, handwork bootas, and this is the button pattern. Portly buttons here. Beautiful yoke and neckline. The fabric is pure muslin. Inner is attached with it. There is inner attached with it. Okay. And on the sides also you get this gota. This is the beautiful daman with crochet lace and gota detailing. It's a pure muslin piece. Inner is attached with it. This is the tassel look on the front. A very different piece. This is the bottom. So the bottom also has the same inner here. सब में inner लगा हुआ है पहले से. You don't need to do anything. It's a very, very elegant piece. This is a stole dupatta on pure muslin. Okay, a stole dupatta on pure muslin. Please check the motifs here. Very different motifs. बहुत अलग सी motifs and crochet lace and muslin का combination है. It's a stole dupatta. It's a 3-piece set on pure muslin. Very, very different combination. Price is 2,300 only. Only 2,300. 38 to 44 size people can please apply for this. Ma'am, muslins no, not hand wash please. All dry clean for the first time at least. Yes, you can visit our place in Shadra, ma'am. You can connect with, on our WhatsApp numbers. We'll give you the exact address. Okay, so this is the piece. The back side will have the same crochet lace and gota detailing at the bottom. So a showstopper piece. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to wear inners with it. Nothing. 2300 is the price for this 3-piece muslin set. Yes. Oh, Minyal ji knows everything about clothes now. Everything. Thank you, Minyal ji. So after the show, we have to do it because we, so much gratitude for you, Minyal ji. Thank you so much. We messaged you also. So it would be kind enough if you connect with us on Messenger. And thank you everyone for watching us. We hope to give you a lot more designs in future. And to WhatsApp us, to book your orders, you can WhatsApp us on 9999714077 or 8800988288. This is Monica from Ethnic BFFs. We'll see you soon. Till then, please take care of yourself. Please take care of your family members and friends. And thank you, Minyal ji, from all of us for being there, for commenting each and every, for helping us out in each and every queries. So thank you so much. See you all soon. Till then, bye bye. Take care.